This is the invention that has benefited foreigners all over the world. But many British families still don't know about it. If you have scratches on your car, don't go to a 4S shop anymore. Now the old drivers are using this car scratch repair magic tool. You can solve all kinds of paint scratches at home. It is very simple to use. Apply directly and evenly in the place where there are scratches. Wipe repeatedly with a towel for 10 seconds to restore the new car model, after repairing the good without any color difference. No color or car model can be repaired directly. We are factory direct shipping. Buy 3 get 3 free if you see the video today.